A few weeks ago, when the new Threads platform became the fastest app in history to reach 150 million downloads in just 6 days, people quickly started calling it the Twitter killer. For good reason. If Meta's Threads can get just 1/8 of the 2.38 billion users from Meta's Instagram app to join them, it would completely smash past Twitter's overall usage stats. And while business owners around the world are scrambling to puzzle out valuable ways to use this booming social media platform to grow their audiences, build their engagement, and turn it into sales, we've gone ahead and laid it out for you on a silver platter. SociSmart is the most comprehensive and up-to-the-minute training resource you need to use Threads effectively in your online business. You'll get access to the complete 14-module training series with videos, transcripts, workbooks, and done-for-you resources. Plus, when you join today, you'll also gain access to our interactive 5-day certification challenge. For each of the 5 days, you'll receive a short 6 to 8 minute video and step-by-step activities to accomplish. Go through the easy-to-follow checklist each day for 5 days. Once complete, you'll not only be confident and competent, you'll also have created your own fully optimized Threads account, understand how to purposefully use it for audience growth, engagement, and marketing, increase sales, and be certified in the process. Complete all 5 days of the challenge with the guidance, coaching, and support of our board of Threads experts, and you'll be awarded a personalized certificate and discover more than 10 new ways we've identified to make money with the new Threads platform. Keep reading below to find out more, but read quick. This app is getting millions of downloads every day, so with each tick of the clock, your early adopters' advantage is slowly slipping away. So click the button for instant access today and secure your front row seat at this history-making time for social media. We'll see you inside.